all know that you're a football buff. You know, you love to sweat it out on the field. Just want to say something about that as well.
Yes, I know. I heard you make Man U looks cooler, all thanks to you. Manchester United guys have an advantage once again because you guys make their caps, and which is great. They're doing pretty well. Though I have to be, I'm slightly biased toward Arsenal. They've not been doing well, so I don't have to say it out loud. But I like being the underdog. It works sometimes. But Man U looks pretty cool in the caps that you guys make.
Yeah. Sid, few words about the association, New Era, exclusively on Jabong.com in India. What do you have to say about that? What do you think about that?
Well, I think it's great that people have access to these cool-looking caps from all different brands through Jabong. I am somebody who believes in playing sport, and once you love a team, you like wearing their jerseys or have their accessories, and this is a great accessory to have, which looks really cool. I've been wearing them in all the photographers have clicked us before in various different hats. Getting out of dinners and parties and everything. And it's all thanks to them, and I'm pretty excited.
We should have you go last. Seriously.
We should all go together actually.
Sure.
Do 1,
yeah.
2, 3, right?
Yeah. All right. Fair enough. So that's Rahul
this is
versus
our,
Sid.
Hat challenge. Let's see if New Era wins or all the other cool brands they have. Okay, so we have to flip it and wear it without using our hands. Right? Ready?
All right. Let me do the countdown. Are you guys ready as well? All right, can we do the countdown together? Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go! All right. Round two of that. We're gonna let that happen. 2 more chances, guys. The winner takes it all. Yeah, that's the deal. Are you guys ready?
Ready?
All right. Rahul, Sid, Paul, Yannick, you guys ready?
Ready.
Yes. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go!
One more.
Last chance. This is going to be tough. This seems to be more tough than the first game that we did. Yeah? All right. Rahul, ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, bang. All right. Yeah, you got it.
Just so I got it. See, I was practicing. I got it. Since I've been practicing backstage, it's just, sorry guys, well played.
You won
well played. I have some 2 years of experience in my college, and we used to be really obsessed with this game. But well played, guys. Well played.
Well played?
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's not applicable in this game. Yes, not at all.
Perfect.
Generally, give the other really big.
All right, Rahul, big day for us. We're announcing this for the media. Of course, it's been on the app. The launch has already happened. We have one of the finest actors in the country, and of course, a person with so much of influence socially. What do you have to say about this?
We are super kicked that you're here with us. Thank you for being here. It is indeed a big day that the 2 brands are coming together. So yeah, hope you find this cool, and hope your fans find this cool as well.
Definitely. I'm super excited. I think, you guys don't need any more, I think help. Everybody knows this brand, and we've all been wearing these caps. So.
And perfect. It's exclusively
My job
available on
is-
Jabong as well. You guys can shop it. For all the lovers of the cap,
Yeah.
that's the place to be. So, Sid, do we have more tricks? Do we have some?
No, pretty much. I think everybody played really well.
Yeah?
I think the pitch was really good today. The weather was a bit off, the wind was too high, but yeah, eventually then, thanks.
Yeah?
I think New
Sid?
Era is a marquee brand, a leader in its category, and a very, very aspirational brand. And a great fit for us, considering Jabong is a leader in the sports and lifestyle category as well. So very, very happy about this. Looking forward to tonight.
Paul, quick question. New Era Caps is exclusive at Jabong.com in India. Few words about that.
Well, when we started looking into the market, we really kind of wanted to have a partner that connected to our core consumer. Our core consumer is very much a young urban person, and I think that's exactly the target group of Jabong. So when we started talking to Jabong, there was a common feeling about where we wanted to go with both brands. So it was actually a pretty easy decision to go there.